In this interactive video, you'll learn how to create dynamic year-to-date accounting reports with a rolling month setup directly in Google Sheets. Gain real-time financial insights and automate your reporting process for Xero and QuickBooks data with ease. To generate dynamic year-to-date reports, go to Extensions, G-Accon for QuickBooks, or G-Accon for Xero. Get accounting data reports, formatted reports. Let's select the profit and loss report from the drop-down menu. The next step is to switch the dynamic date range to static. Set up the beginning and ending date range formulas in Google Sheets. Then, click the cell reference icon to create notations that will be used in the template when generating the profit and loss report. In cell B4, create a formula that calculates the current month. Then, set up a notation for the field Compare with the number of previous periods. This value will dynamically change every month. All dynamic cell references are now set up in the template. The final step is to click the Execute button to generate the dynamic profit and loss report. The dynamic year-to-date profit and loss report has been successfully generated. The dynamic year-to-date statement of cash flow report can be generated in a similar way. Here's the process. Go to Extensions, G-Accon for QuickBooks, or G-Accon for Xero. Get accounting data and reports, formatted reports. Select Statement of Cash Flows from the drop-down menu. Set up the dynamic date range and use the cell references for the start and end dates, similar to the profit and loss report setup. Click on the Execute button to generate the dynamic Statement of Cash Flows report. The dynamic year-to-date Statement of Cash Flows report has been successfully generated. Get started with G-Accon today. Thanks for exploring. You've learned how to set up dynamic, year-to-date accounting reports in Google Sheets for both Xero and QuickBooks users. With this setup, you can generate real-time financial insights, automate your reporting process, and keep your data always up to date. No manual effort required.